Welcome back, motorcycles enthusiast. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the adrenaline-pumping world of the 2024 KTM RC390. This compact rocket on wheels is engineered to deliver thrills at every turn, boasting a blend of performance, agility, and cutting-edge technology. The 2024 RC390 taking inspiration from past prototypes and current factory racing color combinations. The factory racing-inspired orange on blue and orange on black options will have orange frames and rims. MSRP is yet to be announced. The 2024 KTM RC390 is powered by a liquid-cooled, double overhead cam, 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that makes a claimed 43 horsepower and 27 pound-feet of torque. Bore and stroke are 89 mm by 60 mm. It has a PASC slipper clutch and is equipped with a 6-speed gearbox. This engine uses Bosch engine management, with a quickshifter is available as an optional accessory. The bike uses steel trellis frame, powder-coated for durability, provides a solid foundation for spirited riding. And with WP Apex suspension at both ends, 43 mm forks up front and a monoshock at the rear, this bike offers exceptional handling and stability through every twist and turn. The stopping power, you'll find a bi-bree radially mounted 4-piston caliper up front, paired with a 320 mm brake disc. In the rear, there's a single 1-piston caliper and a 230 mm rear brake disc. ABS comes standard, as does an adjustable front brake lever. A TFT dash on the 2024 RC390, which is fitted with a sensor that adapts to available ambient light conditions automatically, with no need for rider intervention. Traction control, cornering ABS, and a special Supermoto ABS mode are all standard features on the 2024 RC390. The fuel tank has a 3.6-gallon capacity. The mirrors are foldable, which can come in especially handy in tight parking situations. The RC390's clip-on handlebars have a full 10 mm, just under 0.4 inches, of height adjustability, so you can easily alternate between a more aggressive position for track use and a more neutral one for street use. Seat height is 824 mm, about 32.44 inches, and the seat cover itself is grippy to help keep riders in place until they choose to move. The smoked windscreen that became a standard feature in 2023 remains for 2024. In conclusion, the 2024 KTM RC390, a true thoroughbred in the world of sport bikes. Whether you're tearing up the track or conquering the streets, this machine is sure to ignite your passion for riding. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.